Hi, so if you're watching this video, I will be sharing with you exactly how I have made over $5,000 in one day. That's right, in 24 hours with one affiliate offer. So as you can see over here, I'm in my account right now, and for the full transparency purposes, let me show you over here. You can see when I click, it also appears over here. So as you can see, this was the first transaction, which is 2,200 euros. And if I go back here, you see another one, 1,300, and another one, $576. Now, this is what I have made in one day with affiliate offer. Now, if you're watching this video, you are probably wondering, okay, that's great that you have made this much, but how I can replicate this and how you watching this video on YouTube right now can make the same. Now, I'll be sharing with you in PowerPoint how I have made it step by step, so you can go out there and replicate, basically not only copy and paste it, but actually go about trying to replicate in a long term same affiliate marketing or clickbank affiliate marketing campaigns. So let me share over here with you. So one of the ways, it's over here, it's with Google search ads. Now I will play here from the start. Okay, so as you can see, here is one of the ads. Now with Google PPC, basically Google pay-per-click, you have to keep in mind there are a few things you have to do, right? Google is all about intent, search intent. People go up on the Google to look for solutions, for products, for services, for information, right? Now based on what your ad says, based on that, it's also based your success with affiliate marketing campaigns and getting sales or not getting sales. So 0 sales or 100 sales, right? Big difference. So based on the intent, what I mean by that, people go on Google to look for solutions to their current pains and problems, right? Or they want to go and find products or different stuff, right? Or they're looking for, I don't know, for a lawyer, for a dentist in the city, right? They're having the intent. They already have base desire and intent. Now, if your ad says free information about blah blah blah, right, about keto in this case, right, of course it's just information based intent, right? Person is not looking for a product yet or a diet or a recipe. They may be looking only for the information, right? So you can lose a lot of money and time if you don't know what you're doing, if you are basing your ad copy on the informational based intent of a customer, right? Now another example, if you have a person who is looking for a keto diet book, right? Maybe this is a single mom, 35 years old, living in California, right, with 2 kids, and she's looking for some quick keto diet recipes, right? So she come over on your ad, like in this case, right, and she see keto recipes reach your ideal weight. So she's looking to reach her ideal weight, maybe lose some of the weight, right, and also have a healthy diet. So in the same time, she's also looking for something to spice up her life, her food, right? Not for boring food, but looking for something more exciting. So as you can see in this ad, there is the free download for the cook and taste new healthy keto blah 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 diet, right? And she can download it now, and then she go to the affiliate link and she can buy the product, right? So this is one of the example in a health space or weight loss space if you're using Google pay-per-click, right? So 5 rules with Google. First of all is this: if your checkout is not mobile optimized, then turn off mobile traffic. Why? Because you don't want to be stupid, you have to be smart, so you don't want to waste money, right? I don't want to be stupid, so I don't want to waste money on mobile not optimized website, right? Another rule is always filter out the bots and click fraud, those little scams, right? I call them. So you have to filter them out, so you are not wasting your money on that. Another rule is start with the lowest hanging fruit and then expand and broaden, right? It's called placement targeting on Google, but only on the pages that have the keywords. Another rule is start off with CPC bidding, but scale up with CPA bidding, right? Another thing that I'm teaching in my program is this, and I'm telling my students always start with CPC bidding and move on when you want to scale. When you have already, let's say, 100 sales, you want to go up and start CPA bidding. Now, when you reach your 50 to 100 conversions, then you can switch to optimizing for conversions. But start off by optimizing for more and cheaper clicks, right? You want to start off this way, and then once you have some sales in, right, you can scale up, and you can, of course, after 100 conversions, after 100 sales, you can switch to optimizing for conversions. Now another thing is in market affinity, right? Targeting of people who were currently in market for, right? You have to look for the people who are in market for the specific thing that you are selling or promoting as an affiliate, right? It does not make sense if you go in the market where people are not actively looking for the solutions, right? Where they are not actively handing over their money over fist, right, to buy your products. So you have to look for the in-market affinity. And how to find that? Again, I'm sharing all these things in my program. It's not a course, but it's a program where step by step we go and I show exactly and also give you targeting details. So you see how to target people on Google and how to target people on Facebook, right? As you know, on Facebook it's about interest-based targeting, and on Google it's a little bit different. You are targeting pay-per-click, for example, by keyword, and many different options out there, right? So it's all about based on the intent of the customer. It's all about the customer, not the software, not the AI voices, but about the customer itself. So if you want to have done for you campaigns, what you can do, you can click the link below this video. I'm having different affiliate marketing, not only clickbank but Digistore done for you affiliate campaign that you can use as an affiliate to start generating results, right? So you don't have to waste time and money trying different audiences, building lenders, right, that are not working. Because if you want strangers to buy stuff from you online, you have to have really great advertorial, which can be a blog post, it can be a lender, which is landing page, right? And you have to pre-sell, right? That's why it's called pre-sale page, because if you don't have a right copy that's going to pre-sell the problem, the plan, and identity, then of course you won't make any sales. You might have a luck and make one sale, but if you really want to have this 500 or 100 sales per month, you really have to understand what you are doing, right? So if you don't understand, I suggest you to get someone to mentor you, to show you the way, right? To show the rope step by step, to hold your hand along the way, so you can much more easily scale up, right? And get results. So if you want one-on-one support and step by step done through affiliate campaign, let me know below this video. Reach out to me, and of course it's not for free, right? So please do not reach out to me and ask me for free handouts. We are not doing that. But if you're serious and you really want to have results, then please subscribe to my channel, and below this video again are the links to my social media accounts, but you can reach out to me or by email or WhatsApp, and let me know if you're serious to work with me and start having your own success with affiliate marketing. So again, thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.